Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with a new chapter, the third chapter of Honeydew, that is Glimpses of the Past. Glimpses means a view, or you can say thoda bahut past mein jhankna. So we'll come to know a few facts about our past, our country's past, our historical events through this chapter. Moreover, this is an interesting chapter because it is given in the form of a comic strip. We have speech bubbles here and we have this chapter divided into various stories. Nothing much to summarize in this chapter, but we'll quickly go through the chapter now. Here are some pictorial glimpses of the history of our country from 1757 to 1857. These pictures and speech bubbles will help clarify your understanding of the conditions that led to the event known as the First War of Independence in 1857. Before we attained independence in 1947, in 1857 already an initiative was taken, an outbreak took place where Indian soldiers they fought against the colonizers. This basically started because of the usage of cartridges which had cow and pig's flesh. We'll come to know much further about this chapter while reading. The first part is the martyrs. I hope you all know what martyrs mean. मार्टियर्स का मतलब होता है जो शहीद हो जाते हैं सोल्जर्स अपनी कंट्री के लिए वॉर करते करते या लड़ते लड़ते. दे आर मार्टियर्स. एट अ फंक्शन इन दिल्ली, ओ माई कंट्रीमेन लेट योर आइज फिल विद टीयर्स एज यू रिकॉल द सैक्रिफाइसेस ऑफ इंडियाज मार्टियर्स. I do not know whether kids you know Lata Mangeshkar or not, but she is a very well known singer actually. She is one of the popular singers, female singers, background singers, and she had sung this song when the Indian soldiers were fighting war on the battleground, on the war grounds. The second thing, the company's conquest. This was during 1757 to 1849. With its superior weapons, the British East India Company was extending its power in 18th century India. You can see the map. The yellow part given was the Indian provinces and the pink part given was the British territories. Indian princes were short-sighted. Short-sighted का मतलब होता है जो आगे का फ्यूचर नहीं देख सकते, जो चीज़ों को प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. That upstart Rajaba called the English merchants. They'll help me to defeat him. The people had no peace due to such constant fights. Indian kings को कभी कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं था that Britishers were here to divide and rule, to take up the whole of the country. So they thought first of all कि English people might help them to fight against other kings and help them conquer their territories. The rivalries helped the East India Company and it could easily subdue Indian princes one by one. As I said, Britishers had one common motto, that was divide and rule. While they helped one king fight against the another king, that is the enemy king or the enemy territory, here दोनों राजा एक दूसरे को लड़के कोई एक ख़त्म हो जाता था और इसमें फ़ायदा हो जाता था ब्रिटिशर्स का. वो लोग डिवाइड एंड रूल करके ईजिली इंडियन किंग्स को हरा रहे थे. A far-seeing ruler like the brave Tipu of Mysore fought the British till he died fighting. जहाँ बहुत सारे राजा ऐसे थे इंडिया में जो फ्यूचर नहीं प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते थे या जो सच्चाई नहीं देख सकते थे कि ब्रिटिशर्स के इरादे क्या है, वहीं पे एक मैसूर में बहुत ही ब्रेव किंग थे, रूलर थे, यू कैन से. ही वाज टीपू सुल्तान एंड ही फॉट द ब्रिटिश अंटिल ही डाइड फाइटिंग. थैंक गॉड देयर इज़ पीस इन द कंट्री नाउ. नो मोर वॉर्स एंड नो लूटिंग बाय थग्स. ऑल दिस वाज सेड. These were in a way reactions given by the Indians to the conquest. It is God who sent the British. Our destiny is linked with them. You can easily see how Indians thought the Britishers were. They actually thought that they were good people sent by God to save us, to save the Indians and to create our destiny. The white man has killed or dethroned our kings. Dethroned का मतलब होता है कि उनको उनकी पोजीशन से हटा देना. थ्रोन देना मतलब कि उनको किंग बनाना. डीथ्रोन करना मतलब उनकी पोजीशन से हटा देना. नाउ वी हैव बिकम स्लेव्स ऑफ फॉरेनर्स. सम किंग्स वर नॉट गुड बट आफ्टर ऑल दे वर ऑफ दिस लैंड. दीज वर द वेरियस व्यूज़ ऑफ इंडियंस। एक साइड आप देख सकते हो जहाँ कुछ लोग ऐसे थे जो सोच रहे थे कि ब्रिटिशर्स अच्छे हैं, जिन लोगों ने हमें मदद करने के लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं, दे आर सेंट बाय गॉड। और जहाँ दूसरी तरफ आप देख सकते हो कि कॉमन पीपल जो थे वो लोग समझ सकते थे कि ब्रिटिशर्स अच्छे लोग नहीं हैं, उन्होंने हमारे राजाओं को उनकी जगह से हटा दिया है। मोर ओवर वो लोग अब हम लोगों से गुलामी करवाएंगे और ख़ुद के गुलाम बना लेंगे। बट दिस थिंग कुड नॉट बी सीन बाय द kings of India. Students, the first two parts are completed. Kindly read the comic strip and try to understand it better. We'll continue the third part in the next session. Thank you.